episode 12. Hello junior college families, welcome back for episode 12. I'm Coach Erin and I hope you guys are all looking after yourselves. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout together while trying to have as much fun as possible. What you guys are going to need is your water, as we need on every single episode, and we need lots of energy, okay? Because I know we've been sitting on the couch or not been doing lots of activity. So first you're going to walk around the room, just make sure you grab all your energy. Get all of that energy. If it has to come from up there or from down here, anywhere you want to get it from, just grab it, grab. There we go. Okay, I think we're ready now. So first thing, we always need to stretch so we can get the cobwebs off of our body. We can make our muscles all nice and awake. So what I want us to do first is we're going to put our feet together, go zoop, and stretch out to the sky as high as you can go. As high as you can go. And then let's go down to your toes. Keep those legs straight. Don't bend your knees, touch your toes. There we go. And up to the sky again. And now what I want you to do is take one foot and put it in front of the other one. So one leg in front, so you're going to go up and over in front of the other one. And you're going to go down and touch your toes again. Okay? So again, in front and down to the toes. Down to touch your toes. Keep them straight again. Keep them straight. And let's swap over. So now you're going to put the other one in front. And down to the toes. There you go. All the way down. All the way down. Nicely done. And stretch up to the sky. Stretch out to the sky. And put your hands on your hips. And go whoop. And now we're going to pretend we're hula hooping. Okay, so we're going to have a hula hoop. Hands on your hips. And we're going to go around in a circle. So you're going to go out to the side. To the front. To the side. To the back. And you're just going to make a big circle. Not too fast. Nice and slowly. There we go. Like a hula hoop. Good job. Good job. Keep your hands on your hips. Keep your legs straight. There we go. And let's go one more. Nice. And let's go. There we go. Now we're going to do a grandfather clock. So we're going to go up with one leg and down. And up with the other one and down. And up and down. And up and down. And let's just go from side to side. There you go. There you go. Keep that leg up to the side. Don't fall over. Try to balance nicely. There we go. Awesome. And I want to see now if we are listening. Okay, so clean out those ears. Clean out your ears. And let's put your hands in your head. And on your shoulders. And on your bum. And on your hips. And on your tummy. And on your chest. And on your shoulders. And crisscross. And on your head. On your eyes. On your nose. On your ears. On your shoulders. On your tummy. On your knees. On your toes. On your knees. On your tummy. On your shoulders. On your tummy. On your knees. On your head. Oh! I think I got you guys. Your head's up here, not down there. Don't be silly. Are we awake? Are we awake? Okay. Make sure we're all awake. We're ready. We're going to do our warm-up now, okay? So what I want us to do is we're just going to jog around the space we have. So just jog around. Jog around. Jog around wherever you are. Make sure you don't knock anything over. Make sure you don't knock anything over. Make sure you don't knock anything over. And now I want us to go side to side. So go side to side like coach. Around the room. Diagonal. Just go side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Wherever you want to go. But you can only go sideways like a crab. There we go. Good job. And I want you guys to jump up and down for coach. Just bounce. Just bounce on the spot. Just bounce. There we go. And now spin for coach. Bounce and spin. Don't get dizzy. Don't get dizzy. Spin around. Not too fast. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, don't get dizzy. Coach is feeling very dizzy. Okay, and let's go. And I want everyone to go, hello, Mr. Starfish. Say hello. And let's go, bye-bye. And hello. And bye-bye. And hello. And bye-bye. And bye-bye. And let's do jumping jacks. Let's go. Start jumps. Let's go. Good job. Good job. And there we go. And I think we're feeling a bit more warm now, okay? So first thing, we're going to go into our upper body, okay? So we're going to make sure we're big and strong up here, okay? So first thing, what I want us to do is we're going to do Wakanda. So like Black Panther, coach's favorite superhero, we're going to go like this. We're going to go Wakanda forever. But I want us to push our arms together as hard as we can. So we're going to push them together, keep them away from your chest, and push, push, push. Push them together. There we go. And let's swap over to the other side. And push, push, push. Push them together as hard as you can. Awesome. Keep pushing, keep pushing. There we go. And relax your arms. And now I want you guys to clap above your head. Go like this. Keep your arms straight. And now push your hands together. Keep them straight, but push your hands together as hard as you can. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. There you go. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Awesome. Don't stop pushing. There we go. And I want you guys to keep it there and bring it into the front, but keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. And you can relax your arms. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to go down into a push-up position. So I want you guys to open your arms a bit bigger than your shoulders. And we're going to go down like this. We're going to make our back straight, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to tap our shoulders. So we're going to go straight, and we're going to tap up and tap the opposite shoulder. And then up to the opposite one. And again. And again. Just swapping from one side to the other slowly so we don't fall over. There we go. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job. And let's go one more. And stand up for coach. And go grab your water. Let's grab some water. Sure we need it. There we go. Have a couple sips. Moms and dads, if you guys could send through some pictures of your champions through to the school, I'd love to see how they're taking part and participating with coach's lessons. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to try and balance. We balance like a flamingo, okay? We balance like this, but today we're going to balance like this, okay? We've done it before. I want you guys to bring your knee up. You're going to hold your knee, and you're going to bring it up to your chest, okay? And you're going to hold it there, okay? If you need help to balance, you can leave your arms out wide and just bring your knee up to the front. And just balance like that for coach. Balance, balance. There we go. Just balance. And let's go over to the other side. So now you can pick the other knee up. Pick the other knee up to your chest. And balance. Keep those arms out. Don't worry if you fall over, you just get back up. There we go. Keep balancing. Keep that knee up. Keep it up. Keep it up there. There we go. And bounce on one foot for coach. Bounce on that foot. You can go back into flamingo. So put your foot at the back and bounce. And let's go to the other one. Flamingo and bounce. There we go. And let's change again. Bounce on one foot and spin around. And on the other foot and spin around. There you go, guys. Good job. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're a giraffe. So first we've got to make our giraffe neck. Okay. Giraffe neck and giraffe head. And now we're going to walk on our tippy toes as high as we can so we can be as tall as we can to get to the trees. And we're just going to walk around in the space on your tippy toes. On your tippy toes. There we go. Just walk around like a giraffe. Just walk around on your tippy toes. There we go. There we go. Don't knock into anything. Good job. Look at all the giraffes. On your tippy toes. There we go. Nice. Okay. What you're going to do now is we're going to lunge. So we're going to step forward. We're going to bend down and up. We're going to go out. Forwards and down and up and out and down and up. And we're going to change over to the other side. We're going to go out, down, and up. Okay, we know how to do these. We've done them before. So you step out, down, 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 and up, and out, down, 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 and up. Okay, so now we're going to make them a bit more difficult. Okay, so try and keep up. If you can't, just ask mom and dad for some help, or coach will help you next time. Okay, so you guys are going to step forward. You're going to bend down, but this time we're going to bring this knee up to your chest and down and then bend, and up to your chest, and down at the back, and bend, up to your chest, down at the back, and let's go down, up to your chest, and back, and down, up to your chest, and back, and let's go, change to the other side, other side, go down, up to your chest, and back, and down, up to your chest, and back. There you go, guys, don't fall over, try to balance when we come up, and down, and up, and last one, down, and up. Good job, and kick out your legs for coach. Kick them out, kick them out, kick them out, and jog on the spot. Just jog on the spot, there we go. And take a deep breath in, go, and out. And jog to your water, jog to your water, and let's have some water, have a water break. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. There you go, guys. It's very impressive stuff. Okay, another deep breath, and out. Okay, now we're gonna sit on the floor for coach. You sit on the floor. Okay, and we are going to clap underneath our legs. So we're gonna pick up our leg, and we're gonna clap. And then pick up the other one, and clap. And the other one, and clap. And clap. But then we're gonna see how fast we can go. Okay, so we're gonna try and go a little bit faster while we clap under each opposite leg, okay? And then we can go a little bit faster, a little bit faster, and there we go. Try and go nice and fast. There you go, well done guys, well done. And let's carry on going. Well done guys. And all I want you guys to do is sit on your bum, and you're going to sit in the sit-up position, but you're going to pick your feet up in the sky like this. You're going to pick your feet up, and you're going to take your hands and you're going to put them next to you like this. So feet up, hands next to you, and you're just going to flap your arms up and down. Just going to flap your arms up and down. Just up and down for coach. Look, we're leaning back. Okay, we're leaning back and we're going up and down. I don't want to see us doing forwards. Okay, lean back. And let's go. Up and down. There we go. There we go. And now we're going to become a dead bug. So on your back. On your back. Stick your arms up like a dead bug. And we're going to pick our knees up for coach like this. So bend your knees like this. From the floor. You're going to pick them up to your chest. And back down. Keep your arms up. Keep your knees bent all the way up. And all the way down. They're staying bent all the way up. And down. And again, up. And down. Keep your arms up. And bring them up. One. And let's go one more. All the way up. Good job. And stand up for coach. Stand up for coach. And kick it out. Kick it out. And I want us also just bounce up and down. Bounce up and down. Bounce up and down. There we go. However you feel comfortable. There we go. Bounce up and down. Awesome. And put your hands up. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. And out. And forward. And up. And forward. And out. And up. And forward. And up. And forward. And out. And forward. And out. And up. And forward. And out. And forward. And up. Good job. Good job. And go grab some water. Go grab some water. We're almost there. Keep going. Last water break. Let's go. Have a good amount of water. There you go. I'm waiting. Everyone, have your water. Have your water. Okay, watch coach carefully. We're going to do hopscotch. So we're going to start with our legs open. Then we're going to cross them over. But this time, you see this leg is in front. Then we're going to open and cross again. And that leg is now at the back. And then it's in front. Then it's at the back. Then it's in front. Then it's at the back. And let's see if we can keep going like that. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. There we go. Just go crisscross. Go open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, cross. There we go, boys and girls. Good job. And freeze. Okay, now we're going to pretend we're holding a skipping rope. So holding a long rope, you're going to put your elbows into your body like this, and we're going to skip. So we're going to swing that rope, and we're just going to bounce on our toes over the rope. So we're just going to skip. Just skip toe feet together, and swing that rope with your arms. Good job, guys, good job. Good job, and shake it out. Shake it out. And open your legs, go whoop. And I want you guys to take each hand, go down to each foot. Touch each foot. Keep those legs straight. Keep those legs straight. And keep your legs open. We're going to go together. We're going to go front, middle, back, front, front, middle, back, front, middle, back. Keep those legs straight. Front, front, middle, back. And come up for coach. And lean down to one side. And over to the other side. And shake it out. Shake it out. All over, all over. Oh, there you go. Junior college boys and girls, you guys did so well today. I miss you guys even more every episode. So thank you for joining me. I hope to see you next week, but I hope even more to see you in person soon. Remember guys, look after yourselves and be active at home.